Hello crafty friends, welcome back to my channel and my craft table, and welcome to part 1 of the July 2026 Prime Day Deals series. In this first video, I'm just going to go over some general craft finds that I found for Amazon Prime Day. Part 2 will focus on larger items such as paper trimmers, Cricuts, those kinds of things. Part 3 will focus on craft room organization. So let's go ahead and see all of the amazing things that I found for you today. Okay, so first up, I'd like to talk to you about scissors. So you can see that I purchased them in 2024. They are still absolutely beautiful and they work perfectly. So if you have been admiring the gold scissors that I use almost daily on my channel, this is a great find for you at $7.99. Next up, if you are someone who cuts into a lot of sticky things like foam squares, foam tape, double-sided adhesive tape, then you might find these handy. This is a 2-pack of 8-inch titanium nonstick scissors. They have a comfort grip, and you can see here where they do have a variety of colors to choose from. You have the red and black, green and gray, blue and black, yellow and gray, and yellow or green and yellow. This is a great deal. 2-pack of nonstick scissors, titanium blades, and they're $9.99. Okay, so moving into adhesives, this is a 6-pack of heavy-duty multi-size adhesive tape. So these are all double-sided tape rolls. They come in a variety of widths, as you can see here, 3, 5, 8, 10, 12, and 15 millimeters wide. Now this is just double-sided tape. It is easy to tear by hand, but it is not dimensional. So you're not going to get like a loft. You're basically just using this for double-sided tape adhesion. And you can never have enough of that in your craft room. I think that at $5.34, this is a really good deal on double-sided adhesive tape, and I use quite a bit of it in my craft room. If you're not into tape rolls, even the ones that are easy tear, like the one I just showed you, you might be interested in this tape roller pack. So this is a 12-pack double-sided tape roller, and you can see here where they're photo safe and they're great for a variety of projects. So you get all 12 for $11.04, and the colors are yellow, green, and blue. If that color scheme isn't your jam, you could click on the other ones. This set here is $11.99. So it's a little bit more expensive. It's not specifically a Prime Day deal. And then you could opt in for another one of $13.99. All of these are 12 packs. Okay, if you want the cheapest option, then I would go with the Prime Day deal for $11.04 for the 12 pack. Next up is my absolute favorite craft glue in my craft space. So I held out for a really long time and just used a variety of inexpensive craft glues, and I found that my paper projects were continually warping and often they would fall apart. I did switch over to Barely Art glue, and those of you that have been around on my channel know that that little green bottle sits right there on my desk, and it is fantastic. My paper projects, they stay together and they don't warp. So I really highly recommend the Barely Art Precision Craft Glue. And now this is the 2-ounce mini bottle, and it does have the tip kit, which you definitely want the tip kit because this pin right here is what you're going to insert, and that will help with not having clogs. And then they do sell extra pins and such separately. And every once in a while, I have to replace the pen because I bent it or maybe I lost it or something. But this is a great find. It doesn't specifically say Prime Day deal, but at $12.99, it is $2 off, which is still pretty good. All right, so if you're in the market for some amazing glue, this is a deal for you. If you're someone in the market for a hot glue gun, This is the SureBonder Mini. Now this is the one that has that fine tip nozzle that you can see there. And it does have this little kickstand, which I think is kind of fun. It kind of helps hold that up for you. And it is corded. This is not a cordless one. It is corded. It has a 5-foot cord, so you do have plenty of leeway for plugging it in and still reaching your crafts. And it uses the mini glue sticks. So this is $12.92 for the SureBonder Mini Hot Glue Gun. And I thought that was a pretty good deal, especially if you were in the market for a new one. Okay, next we're going to move into all things color. So I'm going to start out with some of these ink blending brushes. So I actually have this set of ink blending brushes that I purchased 2 years ago. They are in my craft room and I do still use them. And yes, I do have a variety of craft blending brushes that I've collected over the years, but these still work great and they are very soft. They're easy to blend with. And I really like the fun colors, which I match to, like I just use one color per color family of inks. And I find that these work really well for blending out ink. So if you're someone that's wanting to start ink blending, this is a great option. And these are definitely a game changer for $9.99, which I think is a great deal. Next up are some foam rounds. Now these foam rounds, they have like a Velcro on backing on this side and on the handle. So you just attach a foam round to the handle and blend away. Then you can remove the foam round, change it out for a clean one, or change it out for one that you're used for a different color. So these are really good, especially if you have distressed inks. So here's one in action. You do get 2 handles and 24 foam refills, which that's a really good deal for $7.19. And then this is how you would hold it. These are great. Okay, I do have a set of these and they're nice, especially for your distressed oxides. Speaking of ink blending, if you're someone like me with limited space, I buy ink cubes instead of full ink pads. So I have to have a place to store them. So I have these ink cube trays and you've seen those in some of my organizational videos. Recently, I went ahead and purchased another set. So you get 2 trays for $19.88 here on Prime Day. I've normally paid the $24.86 both times that I've purchased these. One tray holds 49 ink cubes, so 2 of them, that's a total of 98. These are fantastic. They fit in my Alex drawers perfectly. In fact, I have 3 of these stacked together in my Alex drawer as we speak. And I have one more tray that needs to be filled with some fun ink colors. But this is a great deal, $19.88 for 2 of these. Okay, continuing on with color, I found some Prismacolor colored pencils. I have a 72 pencil set. I really want the 150, but this is a 60 count set for $23.27, and I thought that was a really good deal. You can get other counts, so like here's 48, here's 24, and as I said, they do have a 72 and a 150, but I thought this was a great deal, especially if you're wanting to give these a try. They blend beautifully, so smooth, so buttery, and they blend together just, it's really pretty awesome. They really are, in my opinion, the best colored pencils on the market. So if you are someone that's wanting to upgrade your colored pencils or just get a really nice set, I think this is a great deal for $23.27. All right, continuing on with color. If you are someone who isn't really into colored pencils, but you've been eyeing alcohol markers, then this is a great set that I found. On my channel, I have typically always used the Altenew alcohol markers. In fact, I have their entire line of alcohol markers, which are amazing. But if you're wanting to get a small set of alcohol markers to try out, I would recommend the Ohuhus. I have a set of Ohuhu markers I had a small set, and then I recently got a bigger one. So I do think they're a great find, especially for the beginning colorist as far as alcohol markers are concerned. Personally, I like the brush tip with a fine tip. So this is the set that I would purchase if I were in the market for a set. They do have a chisel and brush, and they do have a brush and what's called a soft chisel. So these are a great find, $37.99 for 48 markers. And what I like about alcohol markers is they're refillable. So once they run out of ink, you can just refill them. Continuing on in the color world, we have some watercolor paper. This is 9x12 cold pressed watercolor paper. This is 140 pound. So it's perfect for all of your mixed media kind of things, such as watercolor, acrylic paint, acrylic markers, your gouache. You can even just use your ink blending, your dye inks, your pigment inks, and your alcohol markers, your colored pencils, etc. So it is a book of 20 sheets for $6.99, and there is a blue book and a pink book if you prefer those colors. So if you've been wanting to get into watercolor, I did find this watercolor book for beginners. And what I like about it, first of all, it's very inexpensive. It is $9.48 for Prime Day, but it is a watercolor book for adults and beginners. And it has instructions on the left side with an example and colors and swatch. And on the right side, it has a place for you to practice. I think that is really just a fun way to start watercolor. In fact, this is such a good deal. I'm probably going to be adding this to cart as well. Next, if you are going to be starting watercolor, you do need some watercolor brushes. These brushes here are good for acrylic, watercolors, etc. Now, these are more of the fine tip. So if you're someone that does a lot of detail painting, you would need these. It has some larger ones here. As you can see, there are some other options, but these are these fine detail watercolor brushes, and this particular pack is $13.59. This is a great set of watercolors. So I was given this set here, and I really liked it so much, and my husband really liked it as well. So I got him a set just for him so that we each have our own set of watercolors, but these are little half pans of watercolor. You've got like a palette here and here for, mixing and blending, and then it folds up nicely for travel and is very compact. So I think this is a great find. This is $44.78, so that is on sale because they are normally about $50. And I really enjoy using this particular brand. There are other brands out there. In fact, I've gotten some new brands recently to try, but this is a great brand and really good quality watercolors if you're in the market to get some watercolors and try that out. Okay, next is another fun find. This is UV resin. So I typically in the past have done resin where you had to mix huge amounts, like you had to mix part A and part B, and you had to stir it for so many minutes, and it just was a lot. So this right here is, it is a low odor resin. It does require a UV light, which you can see here. So it comes with a UV light. It comes with a silicone mat, some bowls, some tools, okay, right here. So you don't have to mix anything, and it does cure fast, low odor, and crystal clear. So this is probably a little demonstration here. So I think this is super fun. It's definitely something I've been wanting to try out. So I will probably be adding the UV resin to cart. And I wanted to share this with you because I think this is a fun find. So another fun find are these gel pens. So it's a 6 count. It is 5/10 millimeters for the tip, as you can see down here. Fun colors, and these are gel pens. So it does say that they are quick dry black ink and that they write smooth. I personally haven't used this brand, but I do love a great gel pen like this. And these look like they're a pretty good deal. So $7.99 for the 6-pack. And it does look like they have a variety of other packages. The prices do vary, but also the colors vary. So lots to choose from. So that will be all for part 1 of the Amazon Prime Day deals. I'll be back with part 2, and that will focus more on the bigger items for your craft room, tools and machines, and then we'll move into organization.
Hello, crafty friends. Thanks for making it to the end with me. I'm so glad you were here to share in the crafty fun. Here are a couple more videos that I think you might find inspiring. And don't forget to like, comment below, and subscribe. So until I see you in the next video, have a great day, and as always, happy crafting.